Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to connect your Charles Schwab account to TradingView in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time, making your trading smoother and more efficient. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts with both Charles Schwab and TradingView. If you don't, sign up quickly. It's free for TradingView's basic features. Once you're logged into TradingView, head over to the main menu and click on the Account or Settings icon. Look for the Brokerage Connections or Integrations section. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for Charles Schwab in the list of available brokers. Select it, and you'll be prompted to enter your API credentials. Don't worry if that sounds technical, it's straightforward. Now, switch over to your Charles Schwab account. Go to the Security or API Settings page. If you haven't already, you'll need to generate an API key and secret. Charles Schwab has made this easier in 2025 with a simple one-click process, but remember to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you have your API key and secret, copy them carefully and paste them back into TradingView's connection setup. Hit Connect or Authorize, and TradingView will verify the details. If everything's correct, you'll see a success message. To test it out, try placing a paper trade or viewing your real-time portfolio data directly in TradingView. It's that seamless. One quick tip. If you encounter any errors, double-check your API permissions in Charles Schwab or refresh your TradingView page. Also, keep an eye on any rate limits to avoid disruptions. There you have it. That's how you connect Charles Schwab to TradingView in just a few minutes. This integration can seriously level up your trading game, giving you real-time data and advanced charts at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.